What's up guys, Wilson here and welcome to our latest project vlog, which is for this car, a brand new Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. And as you can see, this car has a truly amazing spec with tons of beautiful gloss black paint and carbon fiber options. Now what this owner is having us do is a full body SatinGuard PPF installation, transforming all of the gloss black paints into the richest, deepest satin finish, much like my Macan EV, which is sitting right in there. Now for the carbon fiber options that are on this car, we will keep it gloss with ClearGuard Alpha G2, and what that will do is really help highlight all the carbon fiber bits and give that matte and gloss contrast a really beautiful look. So we're going to get this started. You're going to see our entire process, and at the very end we'll do a detailed walk around to show you the final results. Check this out. Alright guys, this project is completed, and what you're looking at right now is what SatinGuard looks like over this Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. As you may recall, we transformed all of the gloss black paint on this car into the richest, deepest satin black, and as you can see, the results speak for itself. Now, from our process, you may have noticed that every single panel that we did on here is 100% custom installed so that it is as seamless as possible. All the corners and edges are all wrapped wherever possible so that we bring the film right up to the edge and basically hiding and masking all the gloss black paint that was there before. As an example of that, you can see on this front bumper, this is a one-piece custom installation without the normal joining seams that normally comes about here if it was a pre-contemplate. Around these areas, the leading edges, we wrap the film right up to the panel edge so that you don't have any exposed surface that can get damaged over time. All these little trim pieces that used to be gloss black, it is now satin to match this entire center bumper area a lot better. Now moving to the side, as you can see right here on the mirrors, the mirror caps are carbon fiber, and what we did with that is we used ClearGuard Alpha G2 to protect it from rocks and debris, and what that ultimately does is it brings out the natural carbon fiber weave of the carbon fiber much better than if this was satin. So now you get that really nice gloss satin contrast right over here. Now to the side, as you can see, we did the same thing on these black trim pieces, we left it gloss. And since the windows itself is gloss, it has this really nice contrast on there. Same thing with this winglet over here, carbon fiber, so that it brings out the natural weave. And also on the roof, the entire roof is carbon fiber, so we left that gloss and filmed it and protected with ClearGuard Alpha G2. Now moving to the back side, I just want to show you this one last area, which is on the rear bumper. Many times these areas get neglected and just left gloss. What we did on here, as you can see, is we made it all satin so that it just matches the overall car much better, even on areas where you don't normally see if the rear trunk is down. So again, we use SatinGuard here exclusively at Premiere, and one major reason is that this film has a proprietary hybrid tritone surface where it exhibits 3 different looks from different angles, from matte to satin to translucent. Where that's really the most obvious is during overcast lighting and also indoor lighting. When it's indoor, the hybrid tritone tech on this finish really exhibits that translucency and helps bring out all the natural curvatures much better than any other matte satin paint protection film in this industry. And it is also the most true to color as well, where if it was any other color, it will help bring out that natural base tone better than any other PPF in this industry. So guys, another project completed, and I'm sure this owner will be super ecstatic to pick it up and be able to see this full transformation. It looks absolutely different than when she picked it up, and this is the kind of look that she was going for. So I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until the next one, stay tuned and I'll see you soon.